Hi guys, I'm Nathan from NextGen Tutorials, and today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to never lose your phone again. Now this is done with an application which I really like, and it's called Android Lost. You can find it in the Play Store, and let's install it right here. There you go. Once it's installed, you can find it back on your home screen normally. There you go. But it's under a very special icon. Mainly it's a notebook with a pencil, personal notes. Why is this? Because if, for example, your phone gets stolen, you don't want the thief to uninstall the app, because that might be a problem. So if it would look like Android Lost app, well, he would know to uninstall it so you can't find your phone back. Now this, on the other hand, is something a lot of people will never look at. So once you click that, you can see all the instructions you need to activate Android Lost. It's really simple actually. You have the exit, the request administration rights, and the try premium features. Now what you have to do for this app to work is press the request administration rights. You press activate, and that's it. Now you can get out and go to www.androidlost.com. And that's what we'll do in a sec. Hi guys, so now that we're at the computer, let's go to androidlost.com. So in your browser, I'm using Google Chrome. We go to androidlost.com and you see this very simple interface. Now the first thing you should do is sign yourself in, because otherwise it won't work. You have to sign in with the same Google account that you're using on your Android phone. So in this case, it's my normal email address, and you allow it. There you go, and here you go. Congratulations, your email account is now connected to your phone and you can use the controls. Okay, so you can go through the features. The ones that I think are the best are, of course, that it can turn on your mobile internet, it can turn on your Wi-Fi, it can turn on your GPS, all by just sending a text message to your number. So it's not like it has to be turned on in order to work, which is one of the main faults of other apps, because this app can just send an SMS. If you go to the SMS commands, you can see what commands you can send, and they allow you to, well, available SMS commands. Let's go through a few of these. So before you start sending SMSs, text messages, you should allow a text message in this little box over here. You should write the number, and if you want to add multiple numbers, for example, if you have many friends who could help you out in a ditch, and if something happens to your phone, you have to write your number, separate the other numbers with a comma, and press allow, and that's how easy it is. Now you can also assign an SMS PIN code. So if something happens and one of your friends can't send a text message or isn't in the allow list, you can always ask them to enter the PIN code right after Android Lost. For example, Android Lost 12345 alarm 5. That's actually saying I have the PIN code to send an Android Lost message. So let's do that right now. So on your phone, you just compose a new text message to the number that is assigned to your phone. So in my case, it's my mobile number, and you write Android Lost message, for example, to send a message to appear on the screen of the person who found your phone, and then what you want to write. So for example, return my phone please. You press send, and in a second the phone will have a message appearing, return my phone please. As you can see, there you go, you have the message. Let's get out of this screen real quickly, and that's how easy it is. Now let's say that our mobile data is turned off, or no, more importantly, yeah, mobile data, and you want to turn that on so that you can access your mobile data, well, so it can receive messages or receive whatever. Then you just have to write again Android lost, data start. Now before sending it, I'm just going to show you that I turned it off. So as you can see, it's turned off. Let's send the message. There you go. And now any minute now it should pop up. There you go. I got a text message. And what happens is if I go to my mobile data, it's turned on, which is really great because that way you'll never have problems if your GPS isn't turned on because you want to like save battery or whatever. And that's really useful. You can also wipe your phone this way so that your thief won't be able to do anything with it. You can lock it, which is also pretty cool. Let's send a lock message. So what we type in then as a new message is Android lost, lock, and then a PIN code. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now it will lock the phone, and the only way to unlock it is if you know the PIN code. There you go. So now when I want to unlock it, it'll ask a PIN code, which we determined in the message was 1, 2, 3, 4. And okay, enter. There you go, unlocked. Now to change that PIN code again, you have to send a message Android unlock, which unlocks the phone. So that's why this is really one of the most interesting apps out there forever. If you ever get your phone lost, it can read your text messages, it can remote control your alarm, you can send pings to your phone so you can know where it is. Like if we go to controls, here you go, you have a few options, like for example the status or location, which also allows you to automatically switch on the GPS if it's deactivated. So let's send location, and normally we'll know where the location is in a couple of minutes. Other things you can do is send messages or read your messages. You have the security options, which are quite the same as the SMS options, which require a second phone. Here you don't need it, you just have to go to Android Lost. You can back up your phone. It's really a great application, and I suggest everyone install it if you have an Android phone, because you never know what might happen. And there you go, this is what pops up, which is pretty accurate because that's where I am. And it tells you where your phone is. You can do that as many times as you want, so you know if the person is walking, driving, or just standing still. And well, the rest is up to you what you do with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, please like and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. And please never lose your phone. Bye guys.